Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about Polestar. So right now Costco has a program where if you're a member you can get $2,000 incentive off of the Polestar 2. So this is a little bit of the background, see what Polestar is and who owns Polestar. So I just did a quick Google search and it says here Polestar is a Swedish automotive manufacturer that produces electric vehicles and which is owned by Volvo cars. So Volvo actually owns it, but they're making electric vehicles. So as you can see here, if you sign up with the Costco memberships here, which I did, and I got a promo code here for $2,000 members only incentive towards the Polestar 2, right? So I'll leave the link for you guys to sign up if you are a Costco member. That way you get your $2,000 towards the Polestar. But let's go over a little bit about the vehicle itself. So right here, this is a lease program. So $299 a month. So and it'll be for 27 months with $10,000 Polestar clean vehicle incentive, and it's valid until May 31st, 2024. Now this is a Polestar 2 long range dual motors. So we're gonna go over, we take a look at this for the $299. That is almost similar to the price of the Tesla Model 3 rear wheel drive. So just throw it out there for you guys. All right, so we're gonna scroll down. This is how it looks like. And right here, Costco member received $2,000 off 20 Polestars, okay, off the lease. And we go down, and you guys also enjoy the $3,500 off the federal tax credit as well. Going down, Costco, we actually want to go over to the car itself. Okay, so this is the car, guys. So model Polestar 2, model 2024. It's a long range dual motor. It's all-wheel drive. So the price right now is $50,450. The MSRP is like almost $58,000, and delivery date immediately. So pretty much I think they have it in stock. So if you like it, it'll be ready for you. And the range wise, according to EPA, is 276 miles, and power 310 kilowatt, horsepower 421, and 0 to 60 is 4.3 seconds. And here you can configuration, the designs, everything that you want to do. So here, lease or cash, we do lease. Price specifications, everything's added here, right? So if you want it, you can submit here. Remember, it'll be $3,000 down, but with the $2,000 from Costco, bring it down to about just $1,000 down, and your monthly payment will be $299. So again, if you don't like Tesla, you don't like Elon, and you want something other than Tesla, here is your alternative. All right, so just want to throw it out there for you guys. All right, so you guys have any questions regarding about this, feel free to leave it a comment below. But other than that, thank you for watching. Take care. Be safe.